Hi everyone, welcome to 30 Something Beauty. I am Cassandra Thompson, your very normal 30-something average gal making videos here on YouTube about beauty for others in that 30-something community. So if this is your first time here, welcome. Today we are talking everyday makeup for March. I started doing this last month and it's just a way to kind of work through my collection and make sure things are getting used and to take some of that like decision fatigue out of my day. So it's just, these are the things I'm using this month. That's not to say I won't switch it up here or there, but just as a base, this is where we're at. Let's just start getting into it. First off, all the priming products. I am using the Hourglass Mineral Veil, now just called Veil. I swear back in the day it used to be called Mineral Veil, but this is my primer this month. I am using that Profusion eyeshadow primer that came in one of those Profusion gift sets at Christmas, and so far it's doing a good job. And then everybody and their mom made a video about it. I did not, but the Becca eye primer, you'll see it in another video coming soon. But the new Becca under eye anti-fatigue under eye primer, using that. So these are all my primers this time. I am still trying to figure out my foundation color. Last video I did, when I edited, I'm like, my face looks pink compared to my neck, but in person it didn't, and I don't know, I'm still a little pinky looking, but I'm trying to work it out. I can't find the right shade, but I am still mixing my L'Oreal Infallibles. Also, I'm starting to throw in more of that CYO illuminating cream because, you know, spring is upon us. In my head, spring starts March 1st, even though it's raining outside. It starts March 1st, not March 20th or 21st, so I want a little more glow and all that, so that's part of the rotation. And then going to finish off, I know I'll finish it off this month, the Purlisse BB cream. I put this in my favorites for January, not knowing at all how much it cost. And when I was done filming the video and doing my description, I looked it up. This is $40. Now, obviously, not this size. The full size is $40. No wonder thank God it's good. It's good, but $40. I can't do it. Not when I have my L'Oreal BB cream that's a miracle worker too. But I really like this, so I want to finish it off this month. So on those days where I'm not going to go heavy, I'm going to use this. Can you tell this is in order of application? Okay, so then I have an IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Concealer. I'm just going to use it this month. We'll see how it goes. I used it today. I think it's a little dark, but we'll see. Gonna try it out. And I did use it on my under eye, and between that and the Becca, we're doing okay. Not as dry. Stila Convertible Color in Lilium. These Stila Convertible Colors are one of my favorite makeup products ever. I'm not quite sure about this color. That's why I want to try it out this month. I've also had this a long time. It's a dual lip and cheek cream, so gonna be using it this month. And let's see. I mean, there's so much in there. So that one's this month. Still going through my Milk bronzer stick. I just want to keep using it. I like it, so we're sticking with it. And I am days, I've got to be days from finishing this. So this is staying in. When I'm done, my gosh, I can't dig for it. Okay, when I'm done, I'll go to the Trace Steak one. I've had one before. I know I like this as my highlight. Moving on to powder. Going with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder this month because it's a great setting powder, but it's a little heavier. So while it is still cold, while we are trying to kind of get it together before summer, I'd rather use this now and save some of the lighter powders for summertime. And then, I forgot one thing, hold on. I decided this morning, oh, I'll use the e.l.f. Bronzed Skin Glow as my bronzer this month. First off, it didn't really show up. Secondly, there's a lot of shimmer in it. So it's gonna go between the two, the e.l.f. and the Butter Bronzer. I also did sun striping again this morning to try and look a little more tan. And I think it's a little too glistening, but nonetheless, that's where we're at. Blush, I'm choosing one blush this month. I am doing the Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. This is the one that everyone says is a dupe for NARS Orgasm. I've had NARS Orgasm. I don't think it's quite the same, but I think it's a beautiful shade, especially for spring, summer. I'm gonna start tanning more again, like self-tanning, and then this will look really nice. Brows. We're kicking it back old school. This was the first brow product I ever bought. I've already hit pan. This is the e.l.f. Eyebrow Kit Duo. Look at this on Influencer. It's got crazy stars. Like, it's really well reviewed. Now, I never use the gel side because that's clearly too dark for me. But I love the powder, as you can tell from hitting pan. I love the powder. I put it on with a brush, and then I will seal with my e.l.f. eyebrow gel. So my brows this month cost a whopping like $3. 2 eyeshadow palettes this month. The new Dream Big from Tarte. I'm wearing it today. In case you didn't see the Create and Cultivate video, that is what it looks like. So using that one and whipping back out my peach palette, the OG of the peach palettes. So going with both of those this month. Eyeliner wise, we all know I'm absolutely obsessed with my L'Oreal Infallible Gels, but I know they dry out really fast. And since these suckers are $11, which is crazy for drugstore, I want to start getting as much use out of them as I can before they dry out. So there's the deal on that. Mascara, still finishing my Better Than Sex. I think I'm close to the end. When this is gone, I have a Benefit They're Real that's already opened. I'll finish that one off. Still using my NYX Proof It because this is one of the best inventions I've ever seen. Everyone needs to get the Proof It. It makes your mascara waterproof. It's just a clear gel on top. And then I'm using the Dim Light all over my face from my Ambient Diffuse Light palette. I got this at Nordstrom. I think it's still being sold there. It was an anniversary sale item, but I swear I saw it a couple of days ago. And then, of course, finishing off with All Nighter. As for lips, that changes every day. So I don't have a lip product for you, but that is it. That is what is in my everyday makeup drawer this month. Please let me know what is in yours. Leave it in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that thumbs up if you liked this video. Share it with your other 30-something friends. Have them be a part of the community. And with that, you should be getting suggestions of other videos I think you'd like. So please keep watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.